Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Claude AI not loading in the browser in 2026. So if the page is stuck on loading, blank screen, or just won't open at all, I'll walk you through the best fixes step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable Wi-Fi can easily stop Claude from loading properly. Try switching networks or restarting your router if needed. Next, refresh the browser page. So sometimes Claude just fails to load due to temporary glitches, and a simple refresh can fix it instantly. One of the most common fixes is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated data can block the site from loading correctly. Sometimes extensions or VPNs interfere with loading. Ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPNs can prevent Claude from connecting properly, so try turning them off temporarily. If Claude still won't load, try switching browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Sometimes browser compatibility causes loading issues. Another important step is checking whether Claude's servers are working. So if there's maintenance or high traffic, the site may not load for a while. If nothing works, restart your browser or even your PC. This clears temporary glitches and often fixes stubborn loading issues. And that's how to fix Claude AI not loading in the browser in 2026. Usually refreshing, clearing cache, or switching browsers solves the issue pretty quickly. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI troubleshooting tutorials and tips. Hey everyone,